Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some smoked shotgun shells, reloaded. Oh hell yeah, check this out. We're going with some beef chorizo in these shotgun shells. And first thing with your manicotti, soak them in some hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Pull the manicotti out, shake it around in that water. You're wiping off some of that starch that way. And then you're gonna put them onto a towel to dry. And then you can start stuffing the chorizo in these shells and then wrap them in bacon. Once you're all assembled, put them onto a wire rack. We're gonna be cooking about 350 today on our Z Grill's pellet grill. Let's get that fired up with some cherry wood pellets. Oh hell yeah. We'll get that fired up. We're gonna load up this pellet grill. We're gonna be cooking for about an hour. And I would say about 45 minutes in, turn these guys, rotate them around, and then maybe baste them with some hot sauce. Once the grill's ready, let's pop these on. Now we're going for about 45 minutes. Then we'll check them to see how tender that pasta is. Those shells need to be nice and tender. Then we check the temp of the chorizo. Then we're gonna baste it with some hot sauce. And to baste these shotgun shells, we're gonna be using a new product from Small Axe Peppers. They are going to be offering a giveaway here. So down below, comment hashtag hell yeah for a chance to win some awesome bottles of hot sauce. Some of these, it's so cool, they use urban gardening. So to make these sauces, that's what they're utilizing, small spaces and developing the community into planting gardens. So you can't go wrong. Support local, support small companies, support Small Axe Peppers. So the big difference here is soaking that manicotti in some hot water. You can boil it for a couple minutes. You just want to get it to start to soften before you stuff it. Otherwise you can end up with a chewier product in the end and some crunchy ends. So this is the way to go. Soak them in hot water. Mine was about 125 degrees, 10-15 minutes. Oh hell yeah. Let's try one of these shotgun shells. Oh yeah. Now this you can dip into whatever you want, but let's give it a taste test. That's kicking. That hot sauce got a little more kick than I thought. So the reloaded shotgun shells came out amazing. I got some cilantro, some avocado, mixed that together. A little more hot sauce if you like. This had some kick to it. Let's get a bite of that with some avocado. Oh, a little cilantro. That's just freshness right there. Now that is a killer shotgun shell. Oh hell yeah. So if you guys like the reloaded shotgun shells, smash up that thumbs, leave a comment down below. It is over 100 degrees out here. I am sweating to death, maybe. That definitely wins. Oh, that definitely wins. This was killer, man. This rocked. And honestly, man, I just love cilantro. I really do. It's so good. Avocado, cilantro, hot sauce, bacon, making a mess. that beef chorizo. This one is definitely worth doing. You guys gotta get out there and make yourself some shotgun shells. Sprinkle some cheese on there if you want. Man, sky's the limit with these. In the contest for small axe peppers, leave a comment down below. Hashtag hell yeah, you know the deal. And in a week we'll do a drawing and get you out some awesome free hot sauce. Yeah, I'm sweating. Whew, it is so hot. It's so hot out. Holy.